Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be discuss how to fix Cash App not working payment method field. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, you have to go back to your home screen and then go to your Cash App and then tap on this account icon and then tap on turn on allow it. And then as you can see guys, this is some options. Got to design your card. You are already called send request to you change your card and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is fixed, go for the linked backs. As you can see guys, might not have links back you have available. You remove the link backs and then again add your link banks. So check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is delete your Cash App account and then create other one and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem doesn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is go to report and then search for Cash App crashing. As you can see guys, sorry. So tap on chat and then select payment method field and then your Cash App help to you, your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me in the comment. I have more. Thanks for watching.